Hello, friends. I am number 44. I come after 43 and before 45.
Look at us! We are 44 pieces of ice. We look cool and shiny. We make learning fun.
Hello children, today we are learning a new number. This number is 44. Look here, this is the number 44. We say it as 44. Very good children, now let us count this ice cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43 and 44. Excellent children. You did a
Hello, friends. I am letter V. I come after letter U. Let's meet my V words.
Hello, we are vegetables. We start with letter V. We help you grow strong and healthy. Eat us daily, kids.
Hi, I am a van. I start with letter V. I help people travel and carry things.
Hello, I am a vase. I start with letter V. I hold beautiful flowers. Hi friends, I am a violin. I start with letter V. I make sweet music.
Well done children. Today we learned the letter V. V is for vegetable. We eat vegetables to stay healthy. V is for van. A van helps us travel and carry people. V is for vase. A vase is used to keep flowers. V is for violin. A violin is used to make music. Each word starts with the letter V. Great job learning letter V today. Keep learning, kids. We will meet.
Hello, friends. I am number 45. I come after 44 and before 46.
Look at us. We are 45 starfish. We look cool and shiny. We stay in water. We make learning fun.
Hello children. Today we are learning a new number. This number is 45. Look here. This is the number 45. We say it as 45. Very good children. Now let us count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. 41, 42, 43, 44 and 45. Excellent children. You did a great job learning number.
Hello, children. I am a bank manager. Welcome to the bank. This is a bank building. People come here to keep their money safe. Come, let us go inside the bank. Inside the bank, people work at desks. They help customers put money in the bank and take money out. People save money here for the future.
I see. And is it safe?
The bank keeps money safe and secure. We also help people send money to others.
That's perfect. Thank you.
Children, a bank is an important place in our neighborhood. We go to the bank to save money. Money in the bank is safe. People who work in a bank help customers. Banks help us save, take and send money. So children, remember, banks help us take care of our money. Keep
The Dove and the Ant. One day, an ant stopped at a riverbank to drink some water.
He got too close. The river swept him in.
He was about to drown when a dove spotted him. The dove tore off a leaf and dropped it into the river right next to the ant. The ant climbed onto the leaf and survived. Thank you, dove. I will always remember what you did for me, he said. One day, the ant saw a man. He was pointing his gun at the dove, who had saved the ant's life. The man was going to pull the trigger. And the ant racked his brains to think of something to save the bird. At the very last moment, the ant had an idea. He bit the man's leg. Ouch! The man yelled and missed the dove. The dove flew off and waved a thank you to the ant for saving his life. Moral: if you do good, good will come to you. One good turn deserves another.
Hello, children. I am a pilot. I fly aeroplanes.
This place is called an airport. The airport is the home of aeroplanes. Aeroplanes take off and land here. When people come to the airport, they need a boarding pass. They go to the check-in counter to show their ticket. Let's head over there now.
Big bags go for checking. At the airport, we pass through a metal detector. It keeps everyone safe. Welcome to the airport. Let's go inside the plane. This is our airplane, ready for takeoff. An air hostess helps passengers inside the airplane.
Hello, kids. I am a pilot. See, I am flying the aeroplane in the sky. I help you reach your destination safely.
Approach confirmed. Landing gear down. Touchdown. We're on the ground.
What a great flight!
After landing, we collect bags from the baggage claim. Right! Let's go get them.
Children, an airport is a very busy place. It is where aeroplanes come and go. Airport is the home of aeroplanes. Aeroplanes take off and land here. A pilot flies the aeroplane. He takes passengers safely to places. This is a boarding pass. A boarding pass is a travel ticket. We need it to get on the aeroplane. At the check-in counter, tickets are checked. Bags are given here. The metal detector checks bags and people. It keeps everyone safe. An air hostess helps passengers. She takes care of people inside the aeroplane. Luggage means our bags. We carry clothes and things in them. A carry-on bag is a small bag. We take it with us inside the aeroplane. Baggage claim is the place to get bags. We collect our luggage after landing. So children, the airport helps us travel safely and happily. See you next.
Hello, kids. I am the letter W. I come after letter V. Let us meet some words that start with letter W.
I am a wheel. I help cars and buses move on the road.
Hello, friends. I am a window. I let fresh air and sunlight come inside.
Hello, friends. I am a windmill. I use wind to make energy. Hello, friends. I am a watch. I help you know the time.
Hello, friends. I am a woodpecker. I peck on trees to find food.
Very good, children. Today we learned the letter W and words like wheel, window, windmill, watch, and woodpecker. All these words start with the letter W. A wheel helps vehicles like cars and buses move on the road. A window lets fresh air and sunlight come into our room. A windmill uses wind to make energy and electricity. A watch helps us know the time. A woodpecker is a bird that pecks on trees to find food. Great job learning W words today, kids. Keep learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Hello, kids. This is a zoo. A zoo is a place where many animals live safely. People come here to see animals and learn about them. Come with me inside the zoo. Here we can see wild animals like lion, tiger, elephant, and zebra. There are also birds in cages and monkeys playing on trees. Look at these beautiful birds, all colorful and chirpy.
And the monkeys are so playful, swinging around. Some zoos have an aquarium, where fish and water animals live in big glass tanks. Let's go to see reptiles like snakes and crocodiles. Wow, look at all these snakes! And over there is a crocodile in the lake. All animals are given food, water, and care every day.
Very good, children. A zoo is a safe home for animals. We should watch animals quietly and be kind to them. Zoos help us learn about animals and nature. Children, in a zoo, we can see many kinds of animals. We can see wild animals like lions, tigers, elephants, and bears. We can also see birds like parrots, peacocks, and owls. In some zoos, there is an aquarium where we see fish and water animals swimming in tanks. We may also see reptiles like snakes and crocodiles. All these animals are cared for and kept safe in the zoo. Very good, kids. Thank you for learning with me today. Bye-bye.